So we're working on some Dodge Chargers today, and you don't know what this video is about. You click the title, you know, you seen the description, or is it you seen the picture and the title? Yeah, that's what it is. Anyway, Dodge Charger 2005 fenders is pretty much the same on this same body style, even kind of on the newer ones. So it's very simple. Let's just jump to the video, because you ain't got all day and I ain't got all day, because I'm racing against the clock, because I don't want to be out here and it's night time. So let's take this fender off. I'll show you how, what tools you need, and if it's helpful, drop a like, hit a subscribe button. We're building a Dodge Charger, that red one right there, and we're using this one for parts. Good video content. If you got one of these, you might want to subscribe. Mind you, these tools is not needed to, you know, remove your fender. Those are just, I had to remove this. This fender was self-tapped, and it was a pain to remove. Somebody worked on this car besides me. You know, I thought I'd been here before with the self-tappers, but I'm not. So what we're going to need is a 10mm, which is this, and a couple extensions, and this little guy, and a little tool to pop some clips out, and maybe a 4-way. So we will look and see, and I will show you with this. So down here you got two little clips. These need to pop out just so you can move this to the side, this little ground effect. Up top here, there's no 4-ways or anything, so this needs to just pop in and push over. So let's go ahead and get this moved out of the way. I got a helper to help hold this back so I can film, but they two 10mm. One here, one here. You do not have to take them all the way out. You just need to loosen them enough, because the fender will flat out. It's got like notches in it, so all we gotta do is just loosen these enough for the fender to flat out. And if you put one back on, leave one loose enough where you can adjust your new fender and it'll flat on pretty easy. You can see it's loose. Now, once you get the bottom loose, this will pop out. And inside this fender, inside is two bolts. Now, it's hard to film in here because of the tire, but I got one done off. So let's jump over here, and I'll show you. You got one up near the top where the door hinge is, right here, and you got one down low. And it's exactly the same on both sides. So in all honesty, you shouldn't be able to mess that up. So let me know if you do. Now, if you can't see your bolts, you might have one of these in there. You just pull them out through the fender well and put them back when you're done. They like a splash guard, keep wind noise down, and better insulate the cabin from like outside air and stuff. Now, 1, 2, there should be 4 bolts you done loosen. 2 more to go. You got one by the hinge here. The hood does not need to come off. This hinge is not attached to the fender, so you can do this with the hood on, and these gotta come all the way out. And then you got one up here by the power steering pump. Take them all the way out. So once you get your bolts out here and the other one's loose, this just kind of picks up and lifts off its lip. You can see they just come out down there. That ground effect's got us. You have to pull the ground effect loose, but just take the fender. Be careful, the fender does twist easy if you're taking this off to replace any flame damage or anything. You can see this is nice and straight on this wheel. This wheel, it'll drive straight, I mean, yeah. So go back to the Charger we're building. This frame well is okay. This needs knocked over. The hinges is a little bent, but you can straighten them up just by eyeballing it. This will need tugged, which I'm going to hook a chain and tug this out right here, and use the other one for measurements. Get an idea, you know. It'd be close enough. We're good enough for the women we date. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, you know. And thanks for the support. I'll see you next time.